Okay, today I'm going to show you how to take a PDF and put it in a Google slide where your students can write on top of the PDF. So for today, I'm going to use this PDF as my example. I'm going to download it. I'm going to place it where I can find it. And then I'm going to go to PDF to png.com. What this is going to do is I need to convert the PDF into a image file. In this case, I'm converting it to a PNG image file. So I go to upload file. I find where I actually put it. Here it is. And it now has converted it. So I'm going to download all. And I'm going to open it. No, I don't need that. And it is now converted into an image file. And I'm going to actually save it to my pictures and edition. Alright, now through that, I'm going to open up Google Slide. I'm going to open up a new blank document. I'm going to delete these. I then go to File. I come down to Page Setup. I click this down arrow and I go to Custom. And here I'm going to just customize it to what a regular sheet would be. Then I go to Slide. I go to Change Background. I go to Choose Image, Browse, and I know it's in my pictures. You go to wherever you have saved the picture file that you want to use, and here what I want to use, and I hit done. What this does is it actually puts it as the background, so the kids cannot actually move the document now. But what they can do is they can now hit text box. They can put a text box and they can type in whatever answer. If you want to, you can go ahead and put the text boxes there, and so all your students have to do is click on it, so that all they have to do is type in their answer. And so that's how you make a PDF into a document or a Google slide in which students can actually type on top of it. And then at this point, you could go to you title your presentation. Go to your Google Classroom, go to classwork, create assignments, title it, hit add, pull it from your Google Drive, my most recent, and insert. Come over here to make a copy for each student. select a due date. Say I want it due by the next day. Time is optional. And then if I had more than one classes I wanted to submit it to, I could click more than one class. And then I hit assign, and it goes out to all of my students. I hope this has been helpful.